Hey everybody, inuskypie here. The video you're about to see is actually footage taken from a old review that I did quite a while back. It was when I bought a My Little Pony alarm clock from Amazon, and well, you guys are about to see the things that can happen when you get a alarm clock that is actually broken upon arrival. Yes, this alarm clock was indeed broken. And at the time of recording this, I had no idea it was broken. So, behold the wonderfulness of me being a stupid derp and not understanding that it's actually broken. In the long run, I did get it. I did send it back to the seller, and I got a brand new one. So, if you guys want to see what it's supposed to look like, just tell me in the comments below, and I'll make a video on how it's supposed to look. See you guys. Guys, ready? It's still flashing. And we're going to put on the alarm. Can you tell how excited I am? I'm terrified. Okay. $2.26. Let's put it on for $2.26 here. Okay. Are we ready, boys and girls? This thing's gonna get screwed right up. I'll put it really close to the thing. You guys, actually I can just put it right here. It still won't stop! I've tried everything. I still don't understand why it's not working. Stop flashing! Of course, now we got the freaking light show going. Why not? At least the projection's nice. Strobing those Any minute now, this thing's gonna go off and scare the crap out of everybody. Any minute now. How the f are you supposed to shut this thing off anyway? I wonder what it's gonna sound like. Won't stop strobing. Wait a minute now. How the f are you supposed to sleep to this? Anytime now. It's called to shut the f lights off! It's starting to piss me off! I'm taking the batteries out! God, it's a beautiful thing! Batteries. End of story. What the fudge? Something must be up with how the heck it's wired or something. It gave me gas! Shut up. What happens if I just take out those ones? Yeah, it just starts again. Just starts strobing again! You should just be able to push it and you should shut stuff off, right? No! Doesn't. Wants to be a I don't know what the heck's wrong with the thing. I'm gonna have to look it up online. So yeah, I have to give the fleece blanket a 10 out of 10 and this alarm clock. 8 out of 10. For obvious reasons! See you guys next time.